Natural light plays a major role in how a home feels, functions, and even how much energy it uses. In a city like Houston, where sunshine is abundant year-round, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to maximize daylight indoors without sacrificing comfort. One of the most effective and visually appealing solutions is installing bay windows. These architectural features do more than add curb appeal. They transform interior spaces by flooding them with natural light. Bay windows extend outward from the main walls of a home, typically consisting of a large central window flanked by two angled side windows. This design allows light to enter from multiple directions, unlike flat windows that only capture light straight on. For Houston residences, where sunlight shifts throughout the day, bay windows help capture morning, midday, and afternoon light more efficiently, creating brighter and more inviting living spaces. One of the biggest benefits of bay windows is how they enhance the overall brightness of a room. Living rooms, dining areas, and primary bedrooms all benefit from the expanded glass surface. In Houston homes that may be surrounded by neighboring properties or shaded areas, bay windows help overcome limited exposure by pulling in light from wider angles. The result is a room that feels open, airy, and significantly larger. Beyond brightness, bay windows improve the quality of natural light. Instead of harsh glare from a single direction, the angled panels distribute sunlight more evenly across the room. This softer, balanced lighting reduces the need for artificial lights during the day and creates a more comfortable environment for reading, working, or relaxing. In Houston's warm climate, this balance is especially valuable when paired with modern glass options that reduce heat gain while maintaining clarity. Bay windows also create functional space that enhances how light interacts with your home. The extended ledge can be used as a cozy window seat, reading nook, or decorative display area that benefits directly from daylight. Plants thrive in these naturally lit spots, bringing a touch of greenery indoors while improving air quality and aesthetics. For families, bay windows often become favorite gathering areas filled with warmth and sunlight. Energy efficiency is another important advantage. With increased natural light, homeowners rely less on electric lighting, helping reduce energy costs. Many Houston homeowners choose bay windows with energy-efficient glazing and frames designed to reflect heat while letting in light. This allows homes to stay bright without overheating, which is crucial during long Texas summers. From an exterior perspective, bay windows enhance curb appeal while also improving interior light flow. Their three-dimensional design breaks up flat facades and allows sunlight to enter rooms that standard windows may not fully illuminate. Whether installed on the front, side, or back of a home, bay windows add both beauty and practical value. In Houston's diverse architectural landscape, from traditional homes to modern builds, bay windows can be customized to match any style. Frame materials, window sizes, and glass options can all be tailored to suit your home's design while maximizing light exposure. Professional installation ensures proper sealing, insulation, and alignment for long-term performance. Ultimately, bay windows are an investment in comfort, aesthetics, and everyday living. By boosting natural light, they make Houston residences feel more vibrant, welcoming, and connected to the outdoors. For homeowners looking to brighten their spaces naturally while adding character and value, bay windows offer a solution that truly shines.